Hi, dolls! I'm thrilled to have something new to share with you today. Grab a pen and some paper because you're about to embark on a transformative journey. Today, we've prepared 11 thought-provoking prompts that will guide you through a profound exploration of your money beliefs. Together, we are delving into the origins and root beliefs you have about money. We'll examine the relationship between yourself and your finances, as well as shed light on your interactions with wealth and others. While these prompts were thoughtfully designed to be completed in order, feel free to adapt them to make them your own. Are you ready to dive into a deeper understanding of your relationship with money? Let's get started. What thoughts or emotions come to mind when you think of money? Can you identify the origin of these beliefs? Were these thoughts and emotions taught during childhood? Did they come from another experience? What is your earliest memory with money? What are the emotions and beliefs that arise as a result? Try not to judge, just document and explore. How do past financial experiences influence your current relationship with money? Consider your behaviors, reactions, thoughts, and beliefs. Are there patterns you notice? What is your definition of financial success? How did you come to this definition? Personal values? Society? Parents? How do you currently feel about your relationship with money? What areas do you think you handle well? Where do you think you need to improve? How do you prioritize spending money? How do you decide how to spend your money? On things that spark joy? To keep up with societal expectations? How do you view debt? Does this differ from your view on money in general? Can you identify the origin of this viewpoint? How does this relate to your views on risk? How do you feel about giving money away? Consider giving money to family versus friends. What about strangers? Charity organizations? Do your thoughts change? Remember, this is a space of no judgment. How do you handle conflicts or disagreements about money? Are there specific past experiences that come to mind? How do these experiences influence your current behavior during conflicts? How do you feel about people who are perceived as or considered rich or wealthy? Consider celebrities versus friends and acquaintances. What about strangers? Does your opinion change when you think about romantic versus platonic partners? Is money a deal breaker in relationships? What financial sacrifices are you willing to make to achieve your goals? Are there limits or boundaries? Hope these journal prompts helped you explore your beliefs around money and uncover the root of your beliefs. Remember, you always have the power to manifest the doll life you desire. You are enough just as you are. Thank you for watching. Bye, dolls.